Hi and welcome back. In this video we're going to be looking at an assignment that you may choose to do for this section. The program is going to be very similar to the AH program, but you're going to be developing entirely on your own. Now, it's not going to be a particularly challenging assignment, just something so that you guys can get some more experience doing what we've just studied in this section. So to review first what we've done already, we've looked at variables, strings and integers. Remember, strings are just groups or collections of numbers, letters and symbols, and integers are just whole numbers that have no decimal place. We've looked at the str and int methods. Str converts a number to a string and int does the opposite. We've looked at the print and the format methods. The print takes in a string and prints it out to the user. The format is applied on a string and can substitute placeholders for variables. We've also looked at the input method, which asks the user a question and allows us to get a value back and assign it to a variable. And we've also looked at defining our own methods. Finally, we looked at the if, elif and else keywords that let us split the flow of the program depending on one or more conditions. So here's your challenge, your assignment. Create another program that will create a variable that holds a magic number between 0 and 10, or indeed any range that you want. Then tell the user to pick a number between 0 and 10, and if the user picks the right number, tell them they've won, and if not, tell them to run the program again. Fairly simple, lottery-like program that nevertheless will use nearly all of the concepts that we've studied in this section. In addition, if you create the program as a method, or indeed multiple methods, that would be even better. So good luck, and I'll see you in the next section.